So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I made $1,000 on Clickbank. But guys, trust me, this video is going to be very different. This is never seen on YouTube. So I'm gonna show you a video just before I made $1,000. Okay, it's just 2-3 days before I made $1,000. That was my mindset to make money. Okay, so look at it and let me know. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with Clickbank or with affiliate marketing, guys. So again, if I see my Clickbank account, today is June 4. So as you can check my date, June 4, and I have no sales. So but today I'm going to make $1,000. Okay, so that's how it is, right? So now you're going to question me how you're going to make it. So guys, it's really simple. It's all about your mind. If you start believing it, you can start doing it. So again, I have some written goals of myself. So guys, if you want to be successful in affiliate marketing or in life, there are 4 things. So I got this from Tony Robbins, Awakening the Giant Within. So from the past few months, I started reading a lot of books. So again, first I'll show you the 4 points, and then I'll show you which books I read and how I got inspired and everything. So first thing is decide exactly what you want. Okay, so for me, I want $1,000. So as you could see right now, I'm not making any money on Clickbank. Okay, but I have decided in my mind that I would make $1,000. Okay, that's the first thing. Second thing is take massive action. Take action right now. Stop making excuses. I don't have this, I don't have that. Just take massive action. And third thing is notice what's working and what's not working. So once you put everything over there, so let's say I run ads and I see this thing is working, this thing is not working. So decide, notice what's working, what's not working. Okay, and the fourth thing is change what's not working, and start change what's not working until it does work, and then achieve your goals. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna make $1,000 today using Clickbank affiliate marketing. And how do I know? Because I believe in myself. I write my goals every day. Okay, it's not about which ads you are running. It's just in your mind. Once you start believing it, you could start making money. So that's how it is. And guys, trust me, a lot of things have changed when I start reading books. So basically, I don't read books, I listen to books. So there's Audible from Amazon, so where you could it's a $10 subscription per month, but you can listen to a lot of audiobooks. So whenever I go gym, whenever I go with my daughter, I just put on my headphones and I just listen to ebooks, which is a big, invest in yourself so you can start making. First you learn and then you earn. So again, I'm investing in myself, and just believe in yourself. That's the point of the video right now. Just believe in yourself. Just think that you're making $1,000. As you could see right now, it's blank, but I believe that I'm gonna make $1,000 by tonight. So I think so I'm making this video in the morning, so hopefully we'll see in the night. I'll update you guys. And now Yavar Khan signing off. So guys, as you saw that video that day, I had 0 Clickbank sales. Okay, I had nothing. Okay guys, it's just your mindset. Okay, from that day onwards I started believing. Okay, when I was sleeping I thought, I made $1,000. Okay, I just felt I made $1,000. I didn't care. Okay, and if you think right now, for the next day I did not make any money. Okay, but still for 2-3 days I was just thinking. Okay, I just left everything to God. Okay, if you believe in law of attraction, whatever it is, I left everything to God, and I was like, yo, I just made $1,000. I don't care. In my mind, I just made it. I just felt it, and that's it, guys. And I was just believing it, and I just made it. Okay, so for me it's a shock as well, because once you believe in yourself, everything is possible. I know it sounds very like voodoo stuff, where like yeah, if you believe in yourself you'll make money. So guys, it's the truth, guys. Start believing in yourself. Okay, currently right now I was reading, currently right now you are sitting at 90% of your, like you are like a millionaire. Okay, it's just inside you. You just need to make it come out. Okay, so that's it. Currently the 3 books I'm reading is Think and Grow Rich, Magic of Thinking Big, and Awakening the Giant Within with for Tony Robbins. Everything's, all the links are down below, guys. So guys, if you are promoting any of the products right now, stop everything, just read these books. I hate reading audiobooks. I mean, I hate reading books, but I use my phone and Audible. Just
put your headphones in, go for a walk or go to the gym and just listen to it and start believing in yourself. Okay guys, once you start believing in yourself, everything is possible. And if you trust me, if you would like to know like how to make money with Clickbank, I've made a case study, the exact same case study. You can do, I did the same thing to make $1,000 with Clickbank, so check the case study down below. And it's just all about, you know, believing in yourself guys, because there are times, just to give you an example, you know, let's say I know so many of my followers, they say, you know, I spent $500, I didn't make any money. You're thinking about losing money. Okay, oh, I lost this much amount of money, I lost this much amount. So subconsciously you're telling your mind that, you know, you lost money, which will eventually happen. Okay, but do something very different. You say, I invested the money and I'm gonna get the returns. Okay, think differently guys. Okay, what you think, it happens. Okay, so always make sure that, you know, think about like, you know, you made money or you're gonna make sales, and think something very different and think positive. Okay, so I hope this video helped, and if you would like to learn more about Clickbank, I've made a case study, everything's linked down below. And if you have any question guys, do let me know down and I would be able to just make a video out of it again. And I think so that's it for the update. Thank you. Yavar Khan signing off.